Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete MetaMask account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you no longer want to use your MetaMask account, then it's quite simple. You can simply uninstall the extension or the application that has been installed by press and hold the app and tap in on remove app, tap on delete app, and you'll be able to get rid of your account. Ethereum addresses are tamper proof and cannot be permanently deleted, so the closest thing you can do to deletion is to simply delete your wallet from your MetaMask app. From your main homepage of MetaMask, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left hand corner, tap lock at the bottom, and tap yes to log out of your application. Now, once you end up in this screen, tap on Reset Wallet at the bottom and tap on I understand, continue. Now, type in delete in the text box and tap on delete my wallet. Once you delete your wallet, you can now simply forget about your crypto address and you can abandon the wallet since the blockchain doesn't store any user data and it is absolutely safe to do so. That is the only way you'll be able to delete your MetaMask account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.